My name is Jerome Garrett. I'm a project manager at Silicon, and we're here at the cement plant today at Cemex in east of Berlin. We're shooting a few thousand anchors here, our SpeedBolt system and our speed cell system using our Rapid Arc Welding technology. For the cement industry, this is quite of a typical job, using a small team to work in all the small patches that we have to repair and working along with other contractors on site to make sure that we're getting good progress. We work in many more industries. Petrochemical is a huge one for us. We work in shipbuilding, nuclear, military, and basically anywhere you have to fasten some type of steel to another steel, anything that you have to anchor, you can use Rapid Arc Welding for. After we mobilize and get our equipment on site, we'll bring up the equipment boxes along with it. We'll set up our grounds for the electrical connection, run the cables up into the unit, hook up the gun, and we'll bring in a bucket of anchors, and we'll start shooting right away. Rapid Arc Welding, RAW, is our technology that we've invented in the 90s, and it was fully invented by Silicon, and until this day, it's something that no one else can copy due to the technical nature of it and the secrecy that we employ in this technology.
We work for some of the biggest companies around the world and working in high pressure, high temperature vessels. They have planned shutdowns at particular times, usually like once per year, twice per year. They have like a refractory inside, and when there's damage to it, they'll tear it out, they'll cut off the old anchors, grind it up, we'll weld new anchors inside of there, and then they'll relayer it with refractory, which is like a type of cement, and they'll heat the unit back up again. When we put the anchors, they should be running for years to come, and there'll be no need for repairs in this particular area.
Today we're working in a kiln. That's one of the units which is shut down now, and they do different repairs inside. One part is for silicon. We're installing the SpeedBolt system, and on the other side there, today we are busy with the speed cell system on a burner pipe.
The reason we can do so much more than hand welders is two things. The machine does all the work, and it's fast, it's safe, and yeah, I mean the quality's there. 999 times out of 1,000 there'll never be an issue. But the type of workers we have at Silicon is kind of second to none in that we work hard. We go in, we want to come out with a satisfied customer. There's a good camaraderie in that. We're all friendly, but we're all competitive and wanting to outdo another. It's one, the person, but two, the technology, and those two combined, it's a pretty good combination.
Here on site, we've got a fun-filled crew that knows when to switch between hard work in a short amount of time and unwind at the end of the day, so that we can keep the stress level low and the productivity factor high, but also come to work with a lot of feelings of fun and enjoyment, so that we really take pride in our work, but also take joy in our work.
We can work very safely with our machines. There is no fumes, no like strong light like in the hand welding. So the weld takes around half a second. For that time you can just blink your eyes and it's done.
What I also really like about knowing that I'm using silicon technology is that we're not just installing for a single moment, we're installing something that may last forever and you can reuse it. And that's what we're doing here today. In the riser here at the kiln, we were opening up the unit from a few years back, and all we have to do this time is hook in the new anchors, put on the clip, and it's back to usage.
Der große Vorteil ist einmal die Geschwindigkeit beim Einbauen und dass die Bolzen ja auch längere Zeit halten, und wenn die Anker verschlissen sind, kann man die alten Bolzen verwenden und braucht nur noch händisch die Anker wechseln. Das ist, sag ich mal, der zweite große Vorteil.
We don't have to worry about our quality. Our technology is computerized, and there is so good communication between gun and machine. Every weld is exactly the same.
Die Technik, die Maschine als solches vorgestellt zu bekommen, die Entwicklung, die dahinter steckt, das hat uns letztendlich überzeugt, das System in Gänze hier einzusetzen.